The technique that I'm going to share with you today allows you to manifest your desire in only 3 minutes. Seems surprising, right? But that's true. This technique is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, and I believe that this is one of the greatest manifestation techniques I have shared on my channel so far, and I'm excited to share it with you. It involves an easy process, and everyone can practice it, but what's more interesting is that it works instantly, no matter what your desire is. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Manifestation is an incredible tool that empowers you to shape your life by aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desires. However, some individuals perceive manifestation as a time-consuming and laborious process. However, the technique I'm about to share with you takes only 3 minutes. This remarkable method is known as the 3-in-3 manifestation technique. Before delving into the step-by-step process of this technique, let's explore why it is considered one of the most effective manifestation techniques available, and gain an understanding of how it operates. The 3-in-3 manifestation technique is a simple yet powerful method to align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. By dedicating just 3 minutes a day to this practice, you can reprogram your mind to focus on what you want to manifest in your life. Our subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It is responsible for about 95% of our mental processes. However, often our subconscious beliefs and patterns do not align with our conscious desires. This misalignment can create obstacles and limit our ability to manifest what we truly want. The 3-in-3 manifestation technique addresses this issue by actively engaging the power of our subconscious mind. The technique leverages the reticular activating system, RAS, a part of the brain that acts as a filter for information. The RAS helps us sift through the vast amount of stimuli we encounter and directs our attention to what we consider important. When we consistently use this manifestation technique, we are essentially programming our RAS to prioritize our desires. By repeatedly affirming and visualizing what we want during the 3-minute practice, we send a clear message to our brains that these goals are significant to us. This focused attention activates the RAS, guiding it to search for relevant opportunities and information that align with our desires. The power of this technique lies in the fact that our brains are wired to seek evidence that supports our beliefs and desires. When we consistently direct our attention toward our goals, our brains begin to notice and recognize opportunities that were previously overlooked. It's as if we have tuned our perception to filter in the possibilities that are in line with our desires. The 3-in-3 manifestation technique also helps us overcome any subconscious limitations or negative beliefs that may hinder our progress. By consciously programming our minds with positive beliefs and affirmations, we gradually replace old patterns with new, empowering ones. This process rewires our subconscious mind, making it more receptive to the possibilities that can manifest our desires. Now let's discuss why you should practice this technique. The 3-in-3 manifestation technique helps you create a life of abundance and happiness. By changing one's thoughts and beliefs, it becomes possible to attract and manifest the desired reality. This technique only requires 3 minutes a day, making it accessible and easy to incorporate into a daily routine. However, it is important to recognize that each person is unique, and what works for one individual may not work for another. Therefore, the key to success lies in customizing the technique according to personal preferences for optimal results. The primary reason why one should practice the 3-in-3 manifestation technique is that it offers a direct pathway to transforming one's life. Our thoughts and beliefs play a significant role in shaping our experiences, and by altering them, we can attract positive outcomes and opportunities. This technique serves as a tool for shifting mindsets and consciousness, allowing individuals to align themselves with their deepest desires and intentions. Consistency and commitment are vital aspects of practicing this technique. By dedicating just 3 minutes each day, individuals can establish a consistent habit that reinforces their desired reality. It is through repetition and sustained effort that transformative change can occur. Over time, practitioners will begin to notice subtle shifts in their thoughts and emotions, which will ultimately lead to the manifestation of their dreams. Another reason to practice the 3-in-3 manifestation technique is its adaptability to individual preferences. Every person has unique ways of connecting with their desires and goals. Some individuals may find it more effective to focus on the physical aspects of their desires, while others may resonate more with the emotional or spiritual aspects. This technique allows for customization, ensuring that it aligns with each person's specific needs and resonates deeply with their being. By tailoring the technique to individual preferences, practitioners can enhance their connection and engagement with the practice, thus maximizing its effectiveness. Furthermore, the 3-in-3 manifestation technique fosters a sense of empowerment and agency within individuals. By actively engaging in the process of manifestation, individuals take ownership of their lives and become active co-creators of their reality. This practice cultivates a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and positivity, which has a ripple effect on all aspects of life. As practitioners begin to see the positive results of their manifestations, they gain confidence in their ability to shape their destinies, leading to an increased sense of self-belief and resilience. Practicing this technique also cultivates mindfulness and self-awareness. The act of setting clear intentions, visualizing desired outcomes, and affirming positive beliefs requires individuals to be fully present in the moment. This heightened state of awareness allows practitioners to gain insights into their thought patterns, limiting beliefs, and emotional states. By observing these aspects of themselves, individuals can identify and release any negativity or self-sabotaging patterns that may be hindering their progress. This process of self-reflection and self-transformation supports personal growth and leads to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. So now let's discuss the process of this technique. Step 1. Identify 3 desires. The first step in using the 3-in-3 manifestation technique is to identify 3 things that you want to manifest in your life. These desires can be big or small, as long as they are meaningful to you. Take some time to reflect on what you truly desire. It could be a new car, a fulfilling relationship, better health, or anything that resonates deeply with you. Once you have identified your desires, write them down on a piece of paper or type them on your phone. This act of writing them down helps to solidify your intentions. Step 2. Choose specific descriptions. To enhance the clarity of your desires, it is important to be specific in your descriptions. Instead of stating a general desire, such as, "I want a new car," provide clear details about what you want. For example, you could say, "I want a brand new red convertible Mustang with leather seats and a sunroof." The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to create a clear mental image of your desires. This clear visualization is crucial for the manifestation process. Step 3. Speak your desires out loud. Writing down your desires is not enough. To make them more powerful, say them out loud with conviction. When you speak your desires aloud, you are sending a strong message to the universe that you are serious about manifesting them. Take a deep breath and say your desires as if they have already come true. For example, instead of saying, "I want a new car," say, "I have a brand new red convertible Mustang with leather seats and a sunroof." By using the present tense and expressing your desires confidently, you are reinforcing your belief in their manifestation. Step 4. Focus on each desire for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now it's time to spend dedicated time focusing on each of your desires. Allocate 1 minute and 30 seconds to focus on each desire individually. During this time, it is not necessary to engage in intense visualization. Instead, concentrate on the emotions and feelings associated with the fulfillment of your desires. How would achieving these desires make you feel? Would it bring you happiness, excitement, or fulfillment? Allow yourself to amplify these positive emotions in your mind and fully experience them. For instance, if one of your desires is to manifest a new job, imagine yourself sitting at your new desk, feeling excited and fulfilled by your work, and hearing your colleagues congratulate you on your success. It is crucial to immerse yourself in the emotions and sensations that arise from having your desires manifest. The more intensely you can feel these emotions, the more potent your manifestation becomes. Step 5. Trust the process and release your desires. After spending time focusing on each of your desires, it is important to trust the process and release your desires. This step is about letting go of any attachment or needs for immediate results and placing your faith in the manifestation process itself. Instead of trying to control or force the outcome, Trust that the process will bring your desires to fruition in the best possible way and at the perfect time. Trusting the process involves relinquishing any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that may hinder your manifestation. Embrace a mindset of certainty and confidence that what you desire is already in motion. Have faith that the steps you have taken and the energy you have invested will yield the desired results. To release your desires, take a deep breath and consciously let go. Allow yourself to detach from the outcome and surrender to the natural unfolding of the manifestation process. Trust that the steps you have taken and the intentions you have set will set into motion a chain of events that will lead to the realization of your desires. Step 6. Maintain focus and a positive mindset. Manifestation is an ongoing practice that requires consistent focus and a positive mindset. Once you have released your desires, it is important to maintain your focus and keep them at the forefront of your mind. This serves as a reminder to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the manifestation of your desires. Engage in regular visualization exercises where you imagine yourself already living your desires. Visualize the details and immerse yourself in the positive emotions associated with their fulfillment. See, hear, and feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your desires have already manifested. The more vividly and intensely you can experience these positive emotions, the more you align your energy with the desired outcome. Create daily rituals or reminders to reinforce your focus. This can include affirmations, vision boards, or simply setting aside dedicated time each day for visualization and positive affirmations. Surround yourself with positive influences, practice self-care, and engage in activities that uplift your mood and vibration. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial throughout the manifestation process. Cultivate an optimistic attitude and focus on gratitude for what you already have and the manifestations that are on their way. Stay open and receptive to the signs and opportunities that come your way, recognizing them as stepping stones on your journey toward your desires. As you maintain your focus and positive mindset, you align your energy with the manifestation process and become a magnet for attracting the people, resources, and circumstances that support the realization of your desires. Embrace an attitude of belief, trust, and positivity, knowing that the process is working in your favor. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.